everyone. Now I'm talking about recommendations before the treatment. Sometimes client asking that what should be the arrangement before the pest control treatment. So in case if we do the treatment for cockroaches, must the area or the target place should be ready for deep treatment. Deep treatment in that sense, like kitchen items, food items, all the utensils should be removed from there so that technicians can check the area, each and every corner, means proper inspection. Then they identify the root cause. They can find the target place to apply the right method to the right place. So some area will require residual spray treatment, some area we can cover by gel baiting, and some of area should place monitoring traps. These three methods combinedly it will give a good result. Now I'm talking about some recommendations which should be done after the treatment. Sometimes clients asking us after the treatment how many hours should be outside and what should be done from their side. So this is the answer here. After the treatment, I will suggest wait 3 to 4 hours or till the area dry. And second, when you are coming back, no need to go or arrange any kind of deep cleaning because mostly pest control treatment done by residual spray, which is working at least 2 weeks, especially on the target place. No need to be scared because it's not any harmful chemical. And obviously, residual spray, just normal sweeping mopping, what we do regular basis, that is more than enough. And for bedbugs treatment, must be washed all the linen and clothes, curtain, everything. And proper ventilation after the treatment is most important. So when you are returning back, please arrange proper ventilation by opening windows. Now I will talk on very interesting point. Sometimes clients calling us and telling that after the pest treatment, they're observing more pests. It's a very logical because when we do the treatment due to the chemical irritation, mostly cockroaches, bed bugs, or any kind of general pest, they're coming out because they got disturbance on their harborage. So that I will suggest everyone no need to be panic after the service. Just wait 2 weeks or certain period at the pesticides or residual spray is working on the target place. So after that, if you still observe any pest, please contact us for your follow-up service, which will make sure the problem 100% solved. Here, first of all, I will request for cleanliness. That is first and most important in pest control field. So please keep the area neat and clean, especially surface, and the food particles should not be available anywhere. Second thing, the waste management. We sometimes ignore to do it regularly, but waste management should be regularly and the bins must be sealed. Third point, seal the entry points. Most of the time we observe gaps in between window and door frames, so should be sealed it. And around the utility pipes, if any kind of gaps, please seal it so that cockroaches or any kind of pest will not make harborage over there. Next point, we can say the moisture control. We don't know most of the time this point is how important. Moisture control means any kind of leakage. If it is there or any stagnant water is there, pest has nice shelter on that because they prefer this kind of area to survive. And for the stagnant water, especially the flying insects, totally depending on that. They can't complete their life cycle without that. And the last point I will suggest for the storage management, if you are keeping all of your food items in airtight container and keep it in organized way, you will see it's how easy to manage the pest issues or how easy to control it.